Former player Virender Sehwag chooses Rohit Sharma over Virat Kohli in a challenge, and also picks up De Villiers over MS Dhoni. Sehwag reveals his preferences in a debate between Dhoni and Ben Stokes, and takes the side of Rohit Sharma in the Virat vs Rohit debate. Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma will return for the Bangladesh Test series after a successful outing in the ICC T20 World Cup 2024. India will face Bangladesh in a two-match Test series, with Shubman Gill warning his teammates not to underestimate their opponents. Bangladesh recently beat Pakistan into back-to-back tests, showcasing their strength. Gill emphasized the importance of not taking any team lightly in international cricket and expects an interesting contest. After Bangladesh, India will face New Zealand in a three-test series, where Gill's role will be crucial as he bats at the No. 3 position. Former India player Sourav Ganguly has identified Bengal fast bowler Akashdeep as a talented player to watch out for in the future. Ganguly commended Akash's ability to bowl quickly, comparing him to Mohammad Shami and Mohammad Siraj. Akash has been selected for Team India's squad for the first test against Bangladesh, starting on 19 September in Chennai. Indian cricketer KL Rahul participated in a blind ranking challenge, where he ranked 5 batters. He placed Virat Kohli in the first position, followed by Rohit Sharma, Suryakumar Yadav, Babar Azam, and Travis Head. Rahul also ranked bowlers, with Dale Steyn at the top. He was recently included in Team India's squad for the first test against Bangladesh. The first day of the Afghanistan-New Zealand cricket test in Greater Noida, India was abandoned due to a wet outfield caused by incessant rainfall. Play will begin 30 minutes early on each of the remaining 4 days to make up for lost time. Australian Test cricket opener Usman Khawaja acknowledges India's dominance over Australia in recent Test series, while fast bowler Josh Hazlewood expresses the team's determination to win back the trophy from India in the upcoming series. India and Australia are currently the top 2 teams in the World Test Championship standings. Former India national cricket team skipper Sourav Ganguly has called on the Supreme Court to deliver a verdict in the Kolkata murder case as soon as possible. Ganguly wants the ruling to set an example for the world and act as a deterrent for similar crimes in the future. The next hearing is scheduled for 17 September. Pakistan's white ball and test coaches, Gary Kirsten and Jason Gillespie, have requested the PCB not to remove Babar Azam and Shan Masood as captains. Babar stepped down after the ICC ODI World Cup 2023 and was replaced by Shaheen Afridi in T20s and Shan Masood in tests. Kirsten and Gillespie want to give both captains a long run before making a judgment. Captaincy will not be discussed during the upcoming workshop in Lahore. Rahul Dravid, fresh from the success of the ICC T20 World Cup 2024, has been appointed as the head coach of Rajasthan Royals for IPL 2025. Under his coaching, the Indian cricket team ended their ICC title drought. Dravid, who was the captain, mentor, and coach of RR from 2011 to 2015, has always been interested in joining the franchise despite lucrative offers from other teams. Sri Lanka earned a historic victory on English soil with an 8-wicket win against England at the Oval. Opener Pratham Nissanka's unbeaten century led the charge as Sri Lanka chased down a target of 219 in just 40.3 overs. This win marks Sri Lanka's 4th Test victory in England and highlights their dominance in the final match of the series.